wasn't planning on doing any hiking today because the half dome cable hike kicked my ass. And then I was taking Hopper down Tioga Road, and we passed by this short trailhead for a short hike to see these giant sequoias. So I pulled in, I'm like, I gotta go. I guess I should go check it out. It's a mile in and a mile out, but it's, again, all downhill going in, uphill going back. So I'm tempting my legs. Give me one more hike. I just read on an information sign, it said that sequoias can grow up to 200 feet tall and 35 feet in diameter. All right, I did a quick turnaround, saw the sequoias, now I'm headed back out. I passed by this couple on the way in. I'm a little winded. I passed by this couple on the way in. I asked them, like, how long did it take? It's like a mile and a half each direction. They're like, oh, it took us, maybe 2 hours. You could probably do it in an hour and 45. That was like 25 minutes ago. So I guess I'm moving fast.